Welcome friends. Today our video is about how to become a Chegg expert and start your earning. So actually I had completed that process and my account is under verification. So I will show how I followed the steps. So first go to Google and type Chegg Expert something Chegg Expert sign in or sign up. So first you will getting as Q&A expert sign up. Go to that. See, actually, I'm having an account, so I'm clicking on sign in. If you don't have an account, then go to sign up and create an account and log in. So, I'm having an account. See, I'm getting like this. So, in left side corner, you can see like walkthrough video, terms and conditions, registration, assessment dashboard, verify yourself. So first click on walkthrough video. You will get like this and you have to watch that video. This video contains all the details about Chegg Expert, like how to what are the guidelines and rules. So you can watch this video, how to log in. See, in this video only you can understand how to assessment. Okay, now this is what I am going to say. Go to the terms and conditions. Yeah, as the I already agreed those terms and conditions on September 27. I'm getting like this, and if you are opening, you'll go to some link and you have to click on I accept and continue. So next, go to registration. I have completed registration. So in registration, they will ask about your phone number, email address, and all your personal details. So after that, go to assessment dashboard. In assessment dashboard, you will get like three steps. First step is to select the subject. Second step is to write assessment test, and third step is to write guidelines test. So we have to select a subject that is very in demanding subject. So selected as computer science. You can go for mathematics, and you can choose some demanding subject where the experts should be more. So see, once let me show here. In this video only you can get. I will just show you the layout. See. Okay, you'll be getting a page like this Q&A subject, select subject, subject test and guidelines test. Here you have to select the subject, take this any subject, and step 2, go to for assessment test. See here, you will have like based on the subject you have selected, you will get number of attempts. So I choose this computer science, so I got only 2 attempts, and in first attempt only I have cleared. If you are not cleared in first attempt, you can go for second attempt. If that also not cleared, your account will be under progress and you have to wait for 6 months. After 6 months you can retake the test. So maximum try to clear it in first and second. So next, while taking test, the webcam will be on. Like they will be monitor and they will take some random pictures of you. So you have to make sure that no Bluetooth device is connected to your laptop. So my request, I'm saying that just you just choose a subject which you are very familiar with. After that you will go with the guidelines test. In this guidelines test, there will be providing a PDF. First you have to read all the PDFs, like it will be some 20 to 30 pages. So you have to read that guidelines PDF, and in that question, in that PDF, what they'll ask like something questions related to Chegg, like how to answer the Chegg. All the information is provided in that PDF, and based on that they will ask you questions. So you have to write guidelines test, and there will be 3 attempts in guidelines test also. So after completing all these step 1, step 2 and step 3, you will complete your assessment dashboard and it will look like this. Thank you for completing the assessment dashboard page. So next you have to go for verify yourself. There they will ask you your verification of PAN, bank ID proof, face ID, and degree. Like you have to submit the recent degree marks memo also. So like that. Next, actually I completed these on 27th or something 27th September. So they said that 72 hours left, and also here they said that it takes the expert hiring team 15 working days, Monday to Friday. So 15 working days are not completed from that day to now. So let's see what will happen. And after once getting verification done, you can start your earning, and like it will be according to the question level, 96 for some easy question, 96 rupees for easy question, and like 150 rupees for medium question, like nearly 200 rupees for hard question, according to that. And you'll get a payouts according to the quality of answer you have given. So if you had any doubts, just let me know in the comment section. This is about the how to become a Chegg expert.